If you don't feel it pop in, the spinous process pop into your finger immediately, there's something wrong. Okay? However, come back down. It is a test that test requires normal biomechanics in the CV region. So if it's positive, you want to further investigate. But it doesn't always define that it's the alar ligament. It's not validated for that. This one, lying on your back, is not validated either. But there's some good evidence working towards that. However, for this test, it is more of a stress test. Your alar ligament checks what motion, will stop what motion. Side bend and rotation. Okay, if you're trying to do occiput to C2 side bend or rotation, purely axial rotation or longitudinal axis side bending. Right? Because obviously we can rotate past that, but other biomechanics need to happen. That's important when we do our moves. For our stress test, we come in and we stabilize C2 because alar ligament attaches to C2. Good. So you do your wide lumbrical grip so that you're really perched on the lamina and behind the articular process. That's your perch. You're going to take the head and you're going to do a direct side bend. But if I just side bend the head, C2 wants to follow. So my fingers are going to try and take C2 and do this to it. They're going to try and side bend C2 in space the opposite direction. See it? Here I am, I have the head, I side bend the head to the right. To counteract C2 from coming along, I'm going to do this. If my left hand is there, take your left hand, everyone do this. Let's dance. Left hand on C2, right hand on the occiput, elbow in, gives you some support. Stabilize here, forearm will be on the bed. Ulnar deviate, the left hand, ulnar deviate. You see when you ulnar deviate, it's as if you're trying to tilt that C2 towards the left. See that? Mm-hmm. So now, that's the intention you're going to have. Now you're going to take the head, you're going to loosen the hips, you're going to feel the groove with the cranium, stabilize that C2, and side bend. And side. Move your body to bring the head along. Okay? Don't make your hand do it. Use your body to move the head along, but then you got to side bend, side bend. When I move, you move. Just like that. You gotta check. And check the left. Coordinate. You got that film too. So here I am. I'm using my. Scoot back towards me a little bit. I have my elbow in my body so that I can support the head. I'm stabilizing C2, and then I'm able to side bend with a weight shift, and I just do that little ulnar deviation to try and get to the end feel of the left alar ligament. When you do it, if it feels like there's laxity, I can't quite get the end range, don't panic yet. You do slight flexion, do it again. Do slight extension, do it again. You do it in 3 positions. It needs to be taut, stiff in only one of those positions. Okay?
I don't like that at all.
Oh, that's the squeeze. So if it's uncomfortable, talk to your patient. Try and get the perch behind the articular pillar because it's just an uncomfortable squeeze. Are you okay there?
Yeah.
Okay. Come in. That's it. You okay? Mm-hmm. So I was talking, so I went beyond the end pressure. Now you can go the other way right here, but now you'll radially deviate the hand to get the right alar. If you can't quite get that, just switch your hands and then do it this way. Okay?
So to check neutral flexion.
Yep. Alar ligament stress, neutral, flexion, extension. Practice that one. Just practice that till 20 after, and then we'll take a break. Let's start back up at 3:30.